Didn't even start yet and I'm making a mess. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it is December 31st, New Year's Eve, about 6 o'clock. And I decided to make a mukbang, do some makeup. It probably looks like I'm like a prostitute, crack whore, something like that, but I don't really care because I'm getting my drink on tonight. So what I have to eat is leftover chili. It kind of turned into chili. It was like beans, corn, peppers and onions, and then I made some basmati rice. I have a candle burning, an appropriate, can you see that? Ooh, there it goes, champagne toast. And right now it looks so bright and discolored because I got a ring light for Christmas. My awesome sister bought me a ring light. It's kind of jacked up because I have it just sitting up against my computer desk and then the camera on the tripod in the middle. So jacked up, but I didn't care. And then Brandon got me this bamboo wooden, I think it's wooden, reusable wooden utensils. So I'm gonna be eating with a spoon. Jesus, you can't see shit. Let's see. Whatever, I tried setting you guys up so you could see the food, but it's just not gonna work out. It's so bright, I can't get it any dimmer than this, otherwise it's gonna shut off, but that's the food. We're just gonna start eating right now, and then I'm gonna make the drink. Got some avocado on top. So I made this last night, or yesterday for lunch, and then today, I kind of just put everything in a pot with a can of whole white potatoes, which are really good, by the way. Avocado on top, some spices. I love avocado. We went to Sam's Club yesterday, or the day before. And which is a wholesale, kind of like BJ's or Costco. Got a big ass sack of white basmati rice, like the Indian rice. That's what this rice is. It's so freaking good. And got my Dollar Tree Aladdin cup, some stainless steel straws that Brandon also got me for Christmas. It's like a 6-pack. Colorful straws, and I went with gold. So festive, I know. So we got my favorite. I also had a request. Someone wanted me to do Crown and ginger ale. I don't drink regular Crown. I'm just not a fan of it. So I got my Crown apple favorite, and I got the ginger ale right here. As soon as I punched out of work, I went right over to ABC and picked this up. You know what? When I went to work this morning, I was like, I'm not gonna drink today. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like going anywhere. It's just gonna be a chill night. And then as the day progressed, I'm like, yeah, sounds like a good idea. And then I got home and I'm like, wait, I got food. I just bought this. Why not do a video? Y'all loved my Tipsy biscuits and gravy video. Oh, fuck. So hell yeah, put a little whiskey. A lot of burping. Okay. All right, here we go. It's been a while since I've had liquor of any sorts. I was so bad. We went to the movies last night. I don't ever buy soda, and I hardly drink it. But we went to the movies, and they have cherry Coke there. So we got some popcorn, and I ended up having like a whole medium cherry Coke with refill. Taste test, which I already know is gonna be good. tastes like it's about to be a really fucking tipsy mukbang. I'm gonna try not to make this one long though. So if I do a lot of like editing and cutting out certain parts, I'm sorry. I really want to do like hour-long mukbangs every time, but don't nobody want to watch me for an hour. You know what? Yes, bitch. Is everybody excited for 2018? Do you have any goals or resolutions? I don't really do resolutions anymore because I never stick with them. Like maybe after February, I'm just like, all right, I'll always get them next year, you know? I love it. I love the new lighting. I love that I just came up with this little thing. I can't believe there's like 7 hours until the new year. It's crazy. This year was freaking nuts. And literally so much has happened. Mostly good though. Pretty much all good. Except my damn anxiety, which is getting so much better. OMG. I don't know, it's crazy. And I don't even know what made me change or what made my mindset change, but it was like a little bit before we went on vacation. I just kind of stopped worrying, and I pretty much had the mindset like, you know what, fuck it. If my mind wants to put me in a panic attack or my mind wants to fuck with me, I don't care anymore. Just let it. And I kind of just, you know, let my mind think whatever the hell it wants, because I was so sick and tired of like worrying about it or worrying about like what ifs and all that other shit. And then we went on vacation, and I thought, you know, being in a new place and not really with my family besides him, it would be like scary, and I would really have an anxiety attack or something. But it was like completely opposite. Like I was having so much fun. I wasn't thinking about that shit at all. And then we got back. Like I said in my video about my anxiety, I wouldn't be able to be by myself, whether it's in a store, home alone, walking down the street, walking in a store and right out, like, doesn't matter. I would feel like I'm gonna have a panic attack. But we came back, and then like a couple days later, I was at my mom's house, and she has 4 dogs. So I took them around the block one by one, 3 different times, because the other, like 2 of them I walked together. 3 times I walked around the block by myself. I was listening to music, like on my headphones. And just doing my thing, and I didn't care. I just had the mindset like, fuck it, I don't care anymore. So that's helped me a lot. And I know it's hard, like, trust me, I would know, you know, I know it's hard to not think about it or to not give a fuck. But it kind of just came to me, like it just, all of a sudden, like something switched. Now driving is a different story. I'm still super scared about that because I feel like I'm gonna cause an accident. But I know I'm gonna be able to get over this a lot sooner than I thought. So now I'm cool with being home by myself, you know, and going into a store, whatever. Honestly, you have to change your mindset. Like, yes, I recommended ashwagandha, magnesium, and those do help. They really do. But ultimately, it's your mindset. If you believe that, you know what, like, you have to put yourself in the state of positivity and everything's okay, you know, you're not in any real danger, this and that, and you just have to think positive and then it'll help. But that's mainly all there is to it. Like, there's no magic pill or magic anything that will make it go away. It starts and ends with you and with your mind. I'm gonna try and start hanging out with like friends. I'm still like a little iffy about it, but I want to push myself. That's another thing. Like, just push yourself, you know. Don't force if you truly don't want to, but try to make progress. For a while. I was gonna take a shot before I even started eating, but forgot. Abby, you ain't about to mess my video up, girl. Let's get a few swigs. Like I said, I'm a lightweight. This ain't no wine, you know? I was thinking, like, maybe if I get, like, tipsy enough or maybe even drunk, I might do, like, a live stream on here. I know a couple of YouTubers that do it. At least that I follow. Do you guys have any plans tonight? Are you doing anything? Are you going out? What state do you live in? Are you going to watch the wall drop? I'm supposed to be working at like 11. Not too bad, 11:45. But I learned from my past not to go to work hungover. Like, it's one of the worst things ever. At least for me. What? Why I look like I got a mustache? When the day before I went on vacation, I went in to get my eyebrows waxed. Oh my god, this fucking... Oh shit. I thought my eyes were playing games with me, but this shit's moving. The light. Anyways, so I go to the salon to get my eyebrows done. And I'm like, no lip, just eyebrow wax. Go in there and it's another lady. She does my eyebrows. And then I'm like just chilling with my eyes closed. Next thing I know, I feel hot ass wax right here. I'm like, oh, it comes included? She goes, oh, you don't want your lip? I'm like, no, it makes me break out. She goes, oh, I'm sorry. I thought you wanted your lip. I'm like, nope. And then she kind of just like paused. I'm like, you know what? You're already halfway done. Might as well. I'm like, okay, you know, going on vacation. At least I won't have to worry about this. 1 week later, fucking breaking out all over. I'm like, this motherfucker. I want to listen to some music, but I ain't trying to get copyrighted. I don't want to listen to non-copyrighted shit. I don't know how that works. Like, I see videos with people like playing songs and stuff on the radio, you know. But I don't know. I don't want to play those games. That's good. You know what? Fuck it. I'm putting something on. I didn't have my eyeliner upstairs, and I really didn't want to go downstairs to get it. Otherwise, I'd be having like a wing, like cat liner. But you know what? Fuck it. My lipstick's gonna get fucked. I don't care. Hopefully by the end of this, I'll be... I'm really excited for the new year, and I don't have resolutions, but I have a lot of goals and things that I want to accomplish. For this upcoming year. One of them is paying off all of my debt, except my car payment. Like, that's a big one, but I'm paying that monthly. I have credit cards, I have a little student loan, I have medical, and the list goes on and on. It's really not that much. Accumulated together, like, it's not that much. So I want to pay off all my debt. Need to work more in my full-time job, and then YouTube, like, hustle and grind until I start making it a living, which I'll get there, trust me, believe that. I didn't really want to like mix eating with drinking because I didn't want to like get super full and not want to drink, but I didn't eat shit today, but like a pack of Captain Wafer crackers. And I was not about to I was not about to start drinking on an empty stomach. No, ma'am. So I just heated up some food, and now I'm just like, I want to finish this because there's only a little left. But like, I don't feel shit yet. I need to set my game up. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. What the fuck is AE lock? Oh my god. Yo. My fucking life just flashed before my eyes. I know y'all are sideways. I know. Yo, the fucking ring light was slipping and my food was like so close to fucking falling over. Just ran up the stairs, as you can tell. Fucking out of breath. I'm gonna put on my eyeliner. And I use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Sometimes I use H2O. This is just a regular kind. And it works really well, and it stays on a long time, so. Like, it sounds like it's right outside my window. No point in buying like an expensive eyeliner when this does a really good job, and it's like only a couple bucks. And then this is what I use for my lips. I think I showed it in another video. I'm pretty sure I did. I have a few of these Rimmel London's Provocalips. Yeah, Provocalips. And this is Kiss Me, You Fool. That's the name of the color. We're gonna take a sip. Yo. This is like scary as hell because it's really hard to get off once you fuck up. And I could do one eye so perfect. And then I get to the second one to try and match that, and it just complete fail. And I don't know, I can't seem to like, oh my god, it's gonna be a fail. I need my mirror. All right, I'm gonna put it on. Sorry if you see me looking over here. Oh. I literally touched my eye and it's already fucked up. Already. I'm too drunk for this. But like, look at the difference. Like, I don't have much mascara on. I have like a shitty one on. But like, look that. It just it doesn't look finished, does it? It looks unfinished as fuck. And then like, progress, you know? Like, definitely coming together. This is the joke. The part where I fuck it up. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna get the wing exactly like that one. There's no way. Does any girl do that or guy? Like, probably, but Don't rub it in. You know when you're just too tipsy to like want to focus? Because I don't want to. What the fuck? Oh my god. Girl problem 101. So like, you get the first eye and it looks good, right? It looks okay. You go to your second one and it starts out okay until you do the wing. And it's like, oh, I fucked the wing up. Let me make it thicker. And then you gotta make this one thicker. And then back and forth until you just got like, you just got black eyes. Like, why can't I fucking win, you know? I'll be right back. All right, just got a Q-tip. I'm gonna try and correct. Like, why did I do this? Which one of you recommended I do this? Oh, sorry. All right, we're gonna try this again. Now, are remix songs still copyrighted? Because that'd be dope if they weren't. This is a lot better. Don't judge me, okay? It's a lot better. All right. I'm not doing it anymore. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I don't know how much I'm gonna cut out of it. Yo, my neck has been hurting me all day. You know when you have like a swollen lymph node that needs, oh my god, did I just fuck? This is why I don't wear makeup. This is a fucking lie. Remind me to just like talk like this, okay? That was a good one. Why do you guys like when I burp? Not all of you, but I know there's a handful of you. Is it because like you don't expect me to? You don't think I would because I'm female? I don't really know. I'm sure there's like more bizarre fetishes out there, I'm sure. I mean, thanks for supporting me either way. Thank you. I should do like a edit or stop filming and then continue to drink and then film when I'm like, you know, up there. Love it. Good vibes. Good vibes. On a scale of 1 to 10, honestly, probably like 6, going on 7. Oh, I gotta burp. I don't know. It's like I want to do a live stream, but I'm not that poppin'. Let's just face it. I'm not. But then, like, part of me just doesn't give a fuck either. So, I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Girl, you cut those jeans just right. I know you didn't buy them like that. Oh, you move, yeah. That smile has got me spinning around. Ain't no thing. 'Cause I can see you move a little closer. Get to know you. Everything about you makes me want you. Know what you're doing, baby, don't you? So
Numero trace. Mama Dukes is buying us pizza, so I'm planning ahead, and I'm gonna grab a large pie for when I really get the munchies. Remember what I showed y'all a long time ago? Original crust, no cheese. Hello. This is for you vegans out there. No meats. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm not good with this shit. I'm a little drunk. So we're gonna do onions and pineapple. Okay, we saved $14.50, or we saved a $4.50.
Feeling so high, 'cause I'm still drunk.